everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've done a Michael's grab bag. Was not expecting it at all. Yes, baby. Was not expecting one to happen at all. I know Christmas is 75% still. My store had a ton of Christmas stuff. But this, I think, is a bunch of the random, like my store does not get rid of hardly any clearance. And for the longest time, they've had a whole entire aisle of clearance. I went in there to get specific kind of scrapbook paper, but they didn't have any. So I'm like, okay, let's grab a grab box. Now, like I said, I cannot remember the last time I got one. They did not fill these to the brim. My store had probably like 50 of them. I did not know they had them. I just walked in and then they had them. So I just haven't been going like super crazy for them lately because I just have been trying to get rid of stuff, but I'm like, I have to feel the thrill, you know, I just have to see what's inside. So I kind of saw what some stuff was inside, and then some stuff I did not, but I'm gonna unbox everything that I got to share with you guys what I got. So okay. So as you can see, it's just a bunch of junk, which that is fine because I sometimes resell this stuff. So I ended up getting a sponge, like just kind of like a sponge, which I can use that for a certain craft. Here we got a foam wreath thing, which is actually perfect that I can use. I ended up getting a plastic empty thing, which I'm assuming it is this little roller. It says after, happily ever after. So it looks like it's some kind of roller, whatever. It looks like I got 2 of them in here. Ooh, sweet, sweet. I got pumpkin flickering candle thingies for the Halloween. This is perfect. This is perfect. These were originally $3.99. This is exactly what I've been wanting to get and I just never get a chance. Here is a clay kit that you can make a corn on the cob. So this is something I can kind of make with the kids, which is perfect. Ooh, this is what color my wedding was. But here is a nice purple ribbon, which is perfect for my thing. I got a broken styrofoam. Broken, yes. I got a cake topper that says Mr. So we got that. I don't know if I have a Mrs. We also have table numbers, which is kind of cool. I got the letter Z. $6.49 was the original price. And then I see I got some little letters. So I got the letter P. This looks like it's the letter J. So I got more letters. I have 2 X's. Yeah, 2 X's. Oh, I got cute little unicorn headband. My daughter will love this. She will absolutely love this. This was originally $9.99. And then I got a bunch of clay beads. It says they're earring posts for beading. I don't know what the thing's attached to it, but we got some earring posts. I don't know how many of those I have in here, but we have some Paris. We have some pendants for the ear. There's a bunch of like Fimo or Fimo. It's the, I thought it was clay what makes that brand, but there's just a ton of earrings in here, which is kind of cool. You can make them into something, more earrings. I got some beads. I don't even know what this is. Miniature. Oh, it's like one of those little Zen gardens with like the sand and stuff. We got one of those. And then I have a number X. It's like a silicone mold, which is kind of cool. Another corn on the cob. Another corn on the cob. I got 2 corn on the cobs. Okay. So we got that. And then I have another X. Yes. And then we have, ooh, these are perfect. Oh, these are perfect. I taught the kids how to make crafts with these. These are those like little like 3-shaped beads. This is exactly what I wanted to get for Christmas time. The kids made ornaments with that. So that is definitely right up the alley. Here I have some press molds. They're plastic sheets. There is 6 sheets per thing. I have an idea what I might be able to do with this. So if it's kind of what I can think of, I might have an idea what to do with that. I got a ribbon cutting thing, which I think is the thing that says Happy New Year. I ended up getting some iron transfer numbers. I got 12 to number 8. I don't know why it says 12 to number 8, but got some of those, and they're like a iridescent black, which is kind of cool. Ooh, sweet! I got 2 pumpkin carvers. This is perfect. That is perfect. And then I got a sheet of thankful Thanksgiving stickers, which my kids will absolutely love. Here's the other half of the broken thing. I'm almost done with this one. I got regular mold press is what it's called. More of the earrings and the earrings. More earrings. Oh, sweet. I got a Thanksgiving bracelet kit. That is perfect for Charlotte. Here is a little, it says Tiny Treasures, and it's like a little witch hat on a table. That's kind of cute for Halloween decorations. I got the letter Y. I got a little black cat that would go perfect with that little table. Some soccer stickers. I got a wooden cross. I got the letter Y of another sticker. And then here is some more molds. So this is a fondant and gum paste mold, which I've actually made something with something similar to this, but this is just regular that. And then I have a number 6 or a 9, and then I have a letter G for another mold. And then Velcro. Sweet! It's iron on Velcro. Okay, this is perfect. I can use that. Here's a very old thing of paint. I'm probably just gonna throw that away, but we got some paint. The letter Z. I ended up getting a stamp that says return, or please sign and return. That's kind of cute. That'd be a good little teacher gift to give to Ben's teacher. Broken styrofoam again. Another bracelet. Here we have a little bracelet. This is perfect for my daughter. It says thankful. It's just like a little, oh, it's a napkin ring. Napkin ring. Okay. And then I ended up getting memory keepers. I don't know what this is. It's some kind of powder. Yeah, whatever that is. And then I got some more pendant earrings and the number 5. So that is everything that I got just in one box alone. So yeah, my store was pretty much just getting rid of all their clearance stuff, which is totally fine with me because some of that stuff I know have been sitting there for a very, 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 very long time, and this is a great way for them to get rid of stuff. Yes, they do lose a lot of money on it, but they can get rid of it a whole lot faster than normal. Okay, so that was box number 1. And now we're gonna go check out box number 2. I'm trying to go as fast as I can. I know some of you guys are like, oh, I didn't get to see everything you were showing. Yeah, I'm just trying to go as fast as I can. What's going on, honey? Yeah, Mama's opening her box. Okay, so the next box we got is, ooh, sweet. Sweet. I got 2 ponchos. They're kid ponchos. So these are perfect. These are originally $6.99. They said they're for ages 8 and older. But ponchos, can't go wrong with that. I ended up getting the letter P, and then looks like another J for the letters. I got another X. This one doesn't have as much stuff in it as the other one did. But we got a letter G and a Q, and then I got a whole thing of kids beaded necklaces. This was $2. Again, this is perfect for birthday goodies that I have. Another foam wreath that's fully, well, it says happy on it. So yeah, we can play with that in just a second, okay? I got 2 letter F's. Popcorn, yeah, that's where popcorn comes from. This is kind of cute. We got Goose Brainy Putty. So this is a putty, and it's in the shape of a flower. So it's just like kind of like slime. I got some paint. I got outdoor paint that's in a coffee color, and then I got some other paint that is like a darker brown. So we got 2 colors of the paint, which is kind of cool if I need to work on a project project outside. I see I got some Los Angeles stickers, and then I got another jewelry kit for some necklaces for the children. This is something that's weird. Acrylic, oh, okay, sweet. Acrylic gems. Yep, I'll help you open it in just a second. These are kind of like the bling stuff that I have, but they're like thicker, but I can actually make stuff with those. That's kind of cool. I got another knife for Halloween. I got hold on. Yeah, I got 2 more of the iron-on transfer. Oh, it says 12 8-inch numbers. I can't read. I can't read, you guys, okay? And then we have another one of those mold press. And then I have a clear template plastic. So this is just kind of some plastic stuff, which actually would come in handy with my crafting. I got a letter P in the letter P. Yeah. I also have another one of those plastic thingies. Another corn on the cob. This one's not as full, but I did get another light. Another underlay clay for that mold thing. I got a ton of these Fimo pendants. So there's a bunch of little pendants in here. Move everything to the side. And then we got the letter U. Hold on, honey. Some more necklaces or things. I got some black beads. And then I got more of those. Here we got a 3D doodler. Oh, sweet. This is kind of like, yes, I'll help you in just a second. This is kind of like, it has like a special kind of glue gun. So it's kind of like a 3D printer, but it's like a glue gun. So, got that. I got some special kind of beads right here. I got some more of these molds. Yes, honey, we got, oh yes, I'll help you with that unicorn. You got a 9 or a 6, an X, a B, a C, and a number 9 or a 6. We got that. You want me to open that? And then we got a letter P, a letter P, and the letter P. And I got the letter K. Yes, I'll help you with that. I got a Rust-Oleum dark walnut pen. I got some really weird brown beads that kind of look like Cocoa Puffs. Yeah, I got a little tassel that's broken. Some white little rings of that Fimo little sun thing. And then a number 7. And then one more thing of black. So I'm actually pretty happy with what I got because number 1, the pumpkin stuff, I got 3 of each one. That is perfect for me. Charlotte's already digging in that. She already wants me to open up her unicorn thing that I knew she wanted. Here you go. There you go. There you go. Oh, pretty girl. Yeah. So that is everything that I got for 10 bucks, which I'm pretty happy with. Hold on, honey. Let me put all this stuff back in the box. But definitely check out your stores. Now, I don't know if every store has it. My store might be just getting rid of clearance, but I'm hoping that the Christmas stuff comes out. I'm not going to go crazy like I've done in the past, but it's still nice to get a mystery. You can call your store to see if they do have these boxes or bags. Every store is different, so I just wanted to share with you guys my little haul that I got. I probably will resell a lot of that stuff at my garage sales that I have. But again, give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.